Revision section for breath sounds. First, listen to the vesicular breath sounds heard over normal lung tissue. Note that they are low-pitched rustling sounds with inspiration longer than expiration and no gap between inspiration and expiration. Now listen to the tracheal breath sounds heard over trachea and note the features of bronchial breath sounds. They are high-pitched blowing sounds with expiration longer than inspiration and a gap between inspiration and expiration. Over the right infraclavicular and interscapular regions, we hear bronchovesicular breath sounds. They have a rustling quality like vesicular sounds but are harsher, expiration is prolonged, and there is no gap between inspiration and expiration. Now listen to vesicular breath sounds with prolonged expiration as heard in bronchial asthma. Cavernous type of bronchial breath sounds heard over a cavity. Note the low pitch of the bronchial sounds. Also note the prolonged expiration and the gap between inspiration and expiration. Tubular type of bronchial breath sounds heard in consolidation. Note the high pitch. Also note the gap between inspiration and expiration and the prolonged expiratory phase. Emphoric type of bronchial breath sounds heard over a large smooth-walled cavity or a communicating hydropneumothorax. Note the low-pitched breath sound with high-pitched echo-like overtones. Also note the gap between inspiration and expiration. Rhonchi. Listen to the continuous high-pitched musical sounds heard during expiration. Now note rhonchi in both inspiration and expiration. Rales. Note the crackling sounds maximum at the end of inspiration. These are coarse rales. Now listen to fine rales occurring transiently at the end of inspiration. Lastly, listen to the pleural rub in acute dry pleurisy. This is a creaking, grating sound, loud, superficial, and present in both inspiration and expiration.